Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today's reaction is going to be a Red Velvet reaction. Not really Red Velvet, this is like a subunit of Red Velvet. This song is called Monster and has been performed by Irene and Silgi. So yes, it's their subunit, and a lot of you told me that it's supposed to be a really good song. So I am, of course, all in for listening and reacting to good songs. That's why this channel is there, for me to explore K-pop and for you guys to get entertained. So I don't want to delay this any further. Let's look into Monster. Okay, here we go. The subtitles. Yeah. Let us begin. Okay. Ooh.
내 움직임은 특이해 평범치 않아 1 to 5 to 7 난 어둠 속에
I gotta start that again because I mean the starting visual, this one, like Silgi just put me in a shock. The way she is like crawling. Okay, so she's the monster or they both are monsters? Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at Irene. Ooh, look at Silgi.
내 움직임은 특이해 평범치 않아 1 to 5 to 7 난 어둠 속에 댄서 온몸 뚝뚝 꺾어 침대 가까이 갈게 무시무시하게 내 심장을 훔쳐 지배해 하나의 조명 왜 그림자는 두드려 날 속에 다른 게 눈을 뜬 것 같아 I'm a little monster. I'm a little monster. 차가운 땅째.
I think I nearly got a heart attack. I got a heart attack because it's so good. I love it. I already love it. I will run that entire thing back again. The lyrics are so dangerous. Like, you know, their outfits, this entire set, their choreography, their expressions, everything is just so on point. The way they are singing the song in that, you know, sexy kind of voice. You know, when I did the Red Velvet reaction party, one of the rivals, she wrote that, you know, it's very difficult to get a similar kind of concept from Red Velvet. If you look at their every MV or song or video, whatever, every time it's a different concept because they keep experimenting. So they are the experimental group, sort of. It's not just like their vocals and everything, but they really don't shy away from different concepts. So, you know, when I was thinking of, you know, something like Psycho, in that I had mentioned, I think that you know, I would want to see another song like Psycho because it really suited them. But then she wrote that, you know, probably we'll never get to see another thing like Psycho because they always keep on doing something new. And I'm really looking forward to their comeback this month. I am, oh my god, and after watching this, though, I'm in shock. I'm in shock. And this is also so different from every other video of Red Velvet that I've witnessed. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the, I am, playlist mein added immediately. I'm gonna run that back again. Both of them are just killing it. And Silgi just walking in, like crawling in like that. How did you survive this first, like this is the 11th second? He literally stopped breathing, you know, when that beat dropped. Okay. Both of them are killing it, man. And whoever styled them, just, oh my god, so perfect.
무시무시하게 내 심장을 훔쳐 지배해 하나의 해주면 왜
This entire choreography.
그림자가
Woo!
뛰어 날 속에 다른 게 눈을 뜬 것 같아 I'm a little monster like a
The way, this concept, I'm dying, man. This is so good. So good.
난 춤추고 놀래 가위 눌린 너의 그 몸 위에 줄을 걸면 I'm a little monster
It's so aesthetic and creepy and weird and beautiful at the same time. It's so good.
I'm a little monster 차가운 땅 잿더미 위에서 일어났어 황혼에서 새벽 난 여전히 존재해
Oh, nice.
이 광기가 싫지 않아 즐기고 있는 걸넌 벗어날 수 없어 도망가지를 마 다쳐 널 원하고 도로에 걸리고 오늘 완벽하고
Listen, the dolls creep me out, huh? And you know, God, people are not wrong when they say Red Velvet are vocal queens, man. They really are. Like, look at this vocal notes that they're taking, and so, oh my God. I'm loving this.
난 여전히 존재해 이 광기가 싫지 않아
The voice is so strong.
넌 벗어날 수 없어 도망가지를 마 다쳐 널 원하고 도로에 걸리고
Iron is stunning.
다시 엉망인가 I'm a little monster like a man 널 괴롭혀 내 꿈만 꾸게 해난 춤추고 놀래 가위 눌린 너의 그 몸 위에 줄을 걸면 I'm a little monster
It's too much. It's too much.
I'm a little monster
Wow! Wow! Like, I know this is not red velvet thing, but this has to be my favorite MV of theirs. I mean, I know it's just a subunit, but out of all the MVs that I've watched, like Psycho was at the top till now, followed by Peekaboo. But this takes the cake, man. This takes the cake. It's so perfect that it's not even funny how perfect this is. Again,
I'm a little monster
this beat drop is just so good.
I'm a little monster 뻔한 그냥 놀고 있어 나쁜 의도 없어 직진만 위험한 날 누가
How is this woman so perfect, man? Irene. Huh? How is she so perfect? Firstly, she looks stunning. The aura she has is something else, man. Like, she's badass and sexy and, elegant at the same time. How is this even possible? And her vocals are just insane. And Selgi is just so freaking, I don't know, she looks so dominating on screen that I am getting intimidated. Whoa! I love this. I'm sorry, I can't get over how good this thing is, man. I'm just wondering, you know what? Why it's just these two? Because if all the girls were there, na, matlab YouTube break ho jata. I'm telling you, this is too much to handle. Two people are only, intimidating me so much. If all the girls were there, I would have just fainted. So good. The way she sounds so good here. Irene.
뻔한 그냥 놀고 있어 나쁜 의도 없어 직진만 위험한 날 누가 거부하겠어 날 감동이 될 시간이야
Oh my god, the vocals.
꿈에서 나오려 해 But must live forever
You mean to say? I mean, like, Selgi's voice is so dominating. And she's dominating the screen. Like, her eyes are so intense and everything. Man. Hello. I'm dying. Red Velvet.
I'm a little monster like a man I'm a little monster.
After watching this, I can just assure you one thing for sure. I can just assure this that moving forward, I have a feeling, this is just my intuition talking. I have a feeling that I'm gonna start standing them big time. Big time. They are in the path of becoming my ultimate girl group. You know, I can see the future. I can already see it in the future that I'm gonna go crazy for these girls. I'm gonna go crazy for these girls. How do I even explain how much impressed I am with this concept? So bold, suiting them, their vocals, this choreography. Can I just say, whoever choreographed this, I don't know if they've given it in the description. Wait, this is their mini album? They both produced a mini album. Oh, there are 6 tracks here. Okay, so this is a complete subunit mini album. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, no, the credits are not given, but whoever this choreographer is, just such a fantastic choreography. I loved it. Not just them, but even the backup dancers. At the end, when they made that monster, this step, I am sorry, that was just beautiful. So good. So good. I cannot tell you how happy I am just looking at this video. This has to be one of the best MVs from a girl group that I've seen. From a girl group. Let me just, refresh my memory, go back to my memory a little. Yes, this is the best one. This is the best one. I'm just saying it right now. Whatever memory I can recall, this MV is the best girl group MV that I have seen. Yes. Out of all the MVs that I can really recall in my head, this is the best one. This subunit, this MV is the best MV that I've seen from a girl group. My mind is literally getting blown away. It is literally getting blown away, guys. I loved it. I loved it. So yes, that was my reaction to Red Velvet's subunit, Irene and Selgi's Monster. Oh my god. RIP replay button of my phone because I'm going to be playing it like non-stop today. This is going to be my weekend listen. This is my weekend listen, guys. And I'm going to feel all sexy and all, imagining that I can also be this badass. I'm not. I'm a huge, I'm an introvert. But imagine to aap kuch bhi kar sakte ho, that you are an extreme extrovert and stuff like that. In reality, I am not. But, doesn't harm to imagine yourself being this badass. So yes, that was my reaction for today. I am so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm really happy. They both have impressed me so much today. So much. I love it. I love it. So yes, I'll sign off now. Please do, subscribe to the channel if you've dropped in here for the first time. And yes, I will see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.